Hey guys, welcome to another video. You might be wondering, or not, because you already saw the thumbnail. Why is he wearing this super shiny shirt? That is because today I want to do a video actually featuring Lemonhead glitter. So I want it to be super glittery. I want it to be super like metallic looking, and I'm gonna build a very dramatic smoky eye that has a lot of silver in it, and then lay the glitter on top. So I'm gonna be using Gunshow today. I do have Gunshow and Silver Lake. I might be using both, I don't know yet. But let me zoom in and we'll get it started. So as you can see, I have my full-on beat today. So I have foundation, brows, my lips are not chapped. And I'm gonna start with NARS Smudge Proof eyeshadow base. And using everybody's favorite little broomstick, I'm going to use a very neutral color to kind of smooth out the texture of my lid. This is a neutral like skin tone shade from the Kat Von D eyeshadow palette. So I used this shade for all over. Now I'm going to use this grayish shade for contouring the eye. It's going to be just very black and white, you know. I'm going to try not to add a lot of color. And today I feel like taking you guys to new places, so I'm gonna go a little bit lower than usual on my under eye smoke. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this shade, which is like a cooler tone brown. And I'm just gonna etch out the shape a little bit more. Okay, I gotta cut this crease a little bit more, so I'm gonna use a smaller brush. Perfect. Now I'm gonna start adding a darker color, make it super smoky. I guess I'm gonna start with the black from Kat Von D, then I'm gonna use Night Breed, because even though they're the same color, they do blend out a little bit different. Perfect. Now let's keep building the darkness as much as we can. Okay, and I did say I was going to make it dramatic, so let me get a smaller brush and start building the drama. Yep, so it's becoming really dramatic. Perfect. Now that we have, it took 20 minutes to lay down the black, but now that we have the black, we can start blending out the edges with other fun colors. Still muted though, because we want to keep it like this. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Tulum, which has an orangish shade. I'm just gonna blend out the edge. There we go, and now I'm gonna cut the crease to make the lids appear again. Okay, so far, this is coming out really good. This is probably the most dramatic I've been, like, in a while. And I am gonna bring a blast from the past. This has been sold out for over a year now, so do not be jealous when I show you this. Metamorphosis 005 Mothership, the whole collection. I still have that. And it's fresh, it's nice. Anyways, I'm gonna use a silver baked shadow and I'm gonna apply it in the middle, and then we're gonna go on with the glitter, which will be the finishing touch. Which is insane because the whole video is about the glitter, but I used most of the products that I used build up the entire look, but the glitter really does give it that finishing effect, you know, that I'm looking for. Okay, there we go, so this is silver. Now we're gonna add the glitter to finish. Perfect. I'm gonna go put some eyeliner and some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm gonna film this super quick because my camera's about to die. So I put some lashes on, well, not lashes, mascara, eyeliner, and it came out really good. I'm really impressed that it is just as metallic as the shirt, and I took some photos of it and I'm very happy with the look. It's very glittery, you know, as you can see, and I think it's kind of cool. You know, it's a cool look to do. I don't see a lot of people rocking glitter these days, but with these glitters, it's a little bit easy. Just one thing that I did that I didn't mention in the video is I wear it down, like I rub it on my skin until some of the solution's off so I can go on and not wipe out the eyeshadow. I hope you guys enjoyed the video this week. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys on another video. I'm gonna do a part 2 to this Lemonhead product, so you'll see another glittery look. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like and share the video. I'll see you on the next one.